Hello everybody. Welcome to my very first video that I'm going to be posting in order to show you how to install my coupler shims that have been 3D printed. This is what they look like when they come out of the printer. This is for the Lionel steel reefers. You can see it's got the groove on the bottom and it's got the holes already drilled for the coupler screws. I've already painted these flat black. So, what first step we're going to do is we're going to go over to the library and we're going to pick a car. In this case, we're going to pick a Northern Pacific steel reefer. This is going to be the very first car that we're going to do in real time and install Kadee couplers. Okay, well, the next step we're going to do is we're going to build some couplers. I got everything I need laid out here already. I like to pick it up using a nice pointy device, toothpick or an awl, and then I use it to put the spring in the box. Take the little cover, put it on there. Take my screws, get them ready. Now I've already painted these boxes using ultra flat black by Krylon. And since we're doing a full build, let's get everything ready. You can see I've already sprayed the boxes. I've already sprayed the couplers ultra flat brown. And I do that because it looks like a nice dark rust color and it prepares it for weathering. I also keep all my Kadee springs in the original box because I find that if I put them in the separator trays, they like to slide out the openings. They're nasty little buggers. That's why I pick them up with the awl. Just holds it right there. So nice little handle. Put it in there. Boom. Then. Boom. Box. I also keep all my screws handy. Get them all from BoltNet. These are 256 by half. The perfect screw for these boxes. And there. We're ready to install. as you can see, we've got everything all ready to go. We're actually going to take this out. And we're going to take the car out of the package. I saved my packaging because it goes back into the library as soon as we're done. So in this particular case, we're going to do 3 cars tonight. But I'm going to show you one full step-by-step on how to do it. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the trucks. Now what you're not going to see is the time that I'm going to take to paint the wheels and the trucks with ultra flat black and ultra flat brown, and that's because it's optional. I like doing it because I'm going to weather these cars, but you don't have to do it, and you can keep the factory gloss. Okay, so with that done, the first thing we're going to do is trim the couplers off the trucks. Put my safety glasses on here, and let's get the Dremel tool. Okay, kids. Now, as you saw in Laid Off 6 video, you can actually remove this E-clip and remove the coupler by removing the uncoupling tab at the bottom and do it that way. Or you can just cut them off. I like to just cut them off. And we're through. Now, one of the things that I like to do is use a little smaller roto disc and go in and just touch it up. Do a little finish work. You can see that little tab there and a little tab there. A little flashing. Okay, that is done. Now what you're not going to see is me spraying these because you don't need to. But what you are going to see is me getting these ready. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to grab our number 50, which is a 70 mil drill bit. Now, take the little spacer that's already made I'll do this side first. Take a little spacer, drop it on top of the rib. See, can't go anywhere. Slide it up against the end sill. Those two are done. Oh, got a little bit of plastic. Slide up against the insill. Slide this down so you can see it. Slide up against the insill. Over the rib. One. Two. You can see all 4 holes are drilled. I like to take a 256 tap and just by hand chase out the holes. Now, if you're really careful, all of this could have been done without even taking the trucks off the car. But since I'm going to paint them anyways, I take them off. Okay. Coupler spacer. Check. Coupler. Check. Screwdriver. Gone. Oh. Now, I made the holes in there tight for a reason, and that's so they don't fall through. You can chase them out if you need to with a 3/32 bit, like laid off stick as mentioned, or you can just force your way through. They are soft plastic, so you don't have to worry about it too much. Another thing I like to do, take a flat file, file one of the bolsters down a little bit so you can tighten the screw all the way down. We're going to take that 3/32 bit. That's how I'm going to show you the opposite way of doing it. Chase them out. Now, since I'm going to paint these, I'm going to show you a neat little trick. Testor's flat black pen can be used just as easily instead of painting the whole truck. And you can get rid of the exposed metal. Where did the, oh, there it is. There you have it. It's all done. Kadee couplers, swiveling trucks, good to go. If you have any questions, you can email me. My email is in my profile. Thanks.